Before the Quran, my mind was occupied with graduation and getting a job, and even though I had a job, but moving on in your career, marriage, money, savings, car, house. These were the things on my mind. Just constantly, that's what I was thinking about, making my parents proud. And the Quran came along and said, yeah, those are all nice things, but they're so small. Like, why is your world so small? Your reality, you were made for something so much bigger. And all of a sudden, my world became bigger because I was listening to the Quran. Like, I realized how small I was keeping myself. It's like it freed me from thinking small. And the other thing that came with that is, I don't even know how that happened, but I know it only happened because of the Quran. Confidence. I was the quietest guy in high school. People didn't know what my voice sounded like. I was the shy person. I almost failed public speaking class. And first semester of college. But one of the things the Quran did for me is it liberated me from the opinions of others. It doesn't much matter what someone thinks of me so long as I'm good with Allah. Like, Allah does not see me as a disappointment. Everybody else is welcome to be disappointed. It is so liberating. It's so liberating. Like, I come from a culture, Muslims come from a culture, we always think about what people think. Now I'm in the middle of New York City. It's Maghrib time, and I'm on Park Avenue. I got nowhere to go. I make wudu with a water bottle, and I'm praying on the side of the street. And people are walking by laughing. People are walking by making comment. I don't care. I'm sitting and making salah. And in the beginning, it used to feel like, oh my God, what are people thinking? What are they going to say? What are they going to say? Then the world just became invisible. Like, it's just you and Allah. That's it. What else does matter? The thing that made me love the Quran was one part of it, what it did for me. It liberated me. The other thing that made me love the Quran is, like, through that dawrah of the Quran, I felt like I wasn't reading the Quran was reading me. Like, Allah is talking to me personally. Why am I this important that Allah would talk to me personally and make me feel like He's talking to me personally? Like, I'm a nobody. I'm not the confident guy. I'm not the popular guy. I'm not the successful guy. Why would Allah talk to me? Why would I be important? Like, I felt like Allah has given me a lot of importance by speaking to me in this way, by speaking in the Quran this way. So it was humbling and elevating at the same time.